Don't forget my name. My name is Trucker Dumar. And don't forget this channel. This channel it's ML Trucking. This video is a special one. I'm gonna make a lot of video like this for you, just to share with you some very good information. Don't forget, guys, to create your membership with our channel. There's gonna be a lot of information that we're not gonna just share them to the public, but we're gonna keep them for our members. So go ahead, create your membership with us. We have two different ones. We have one for $3.99 a month, we have one for $14.99 a month, and we have one for $49.99. When you create your membership with us, there's gonna be a lot that's gonna be in your benefit. You can reach out to me anytime. You can talk to me over the phone. You can find me on all social media platforms where we present. We on Instagram, we are on TikTok, we on Facebook and YouTube. You can just text me anytime to ask me any question you want, and I will assist you. There's a lot of opportunity that you're gonna have, especially if you're new into this business, if you're new into the game, if you're new as a driver. It doesn't matter, company driver or owner operator. So don't forget, like I always say, be safe out there. Keep it 100. Until now, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget my name. My name is Trucker Dumar. Peace out.